Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this interesting problem where the given equation is if 2xy plus x plus y is equal to 9, we have to find out 2xy plus x square plus y square. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's solve this tricky problem. Here the equation is 2xy plus x plus y is equal to 9. Now let us take x common in these two terms. So we can write it as taking x common, this is 2y plus 1 plus y is equal to 9. Let us multiply 2 and divide by 2 for this term. So we can write it as 2x whole to the power 2y plus 1 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 9. Now we can simplify this equation as 2x multiply with 2y divided by 2, that is y, plus 1 by 2 plus y is equal to 9. Now we can observe that in this term y plus 1 by 2 is there and here only y is there. So we need to add plus 1 by 2 here and we need to add plus 1 by 2 on the right hand side as well. Hence we can rewrite this as 2x multiply with y plus 1 by 2 plus here y is there, we have to write plus 1 by 2. If we are adding plus 1 by 2 on the left hand side, then we have to add plus 1 by 2 on the right hand side. Now we can see that y plus 1 by 2 is present in both these terms. Then we can take the common y plus 1 by 2 and rewrite this equation as y plus 1 by 2 multiply with 2x plus 1 is equal to adding 9 with 1 by 2, it will become 19 by 2. Now solve this term and rewrite this equation as 2y plus 1 divided by 2 multiply with 2x plus 1 is equal to 19 by 2. As 2 is present in the denominator on both left hand side and right hand side, we can cancel these 2 on both the sides. Hence we can simplify this equation as 2y plus 1 multiply with 2x plus 1 is equal to 19. Here we can observe that these are the two terms whose multiplication should be 19. As 19 is a prime number, then only two options are there whose multiplication will be 19, that is either 1 multiply with 19 or 19 multiply with 1. Hence we can write this equation as 2y plus 1 is equal to 1 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 19. Let us solve these two equations. 2y is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. Hence y is equal to 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Similarly here 2x is equal to 19 minus 1, that is 18, and x is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. We need to find out the value of 2xy plus x square plus y square. If you observe carefully, this is nothing but x plus y whole square. So as we know, x is equal to 9 plus y is equal to 0, that whole square. So it is 9 square is equal to 81. So the answer is 81. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.